To replace or install your RO membranes in your Puller Series RO, you'll need the following tools: a 5mm Allen wrench, a pair of needle nose pliers, dead blow hammer, and silicone grease for O-ring lubrication. It's also a good idea to wear gloves to prevent contamination when handling your membranes. Before installing your membranes, ensure that power and your water pressure have been relieved off the system. Using your 5mm Allen wrench, remove the half moon clips off the top of the membranes. Once the clips are removed, simply lift up on the end cap assemblies. Once the end cap assemblies are removed, you will install your membranes. Please note that the O-ring orientation will be opposite of the arrow on the membrane vessels themselves. After applying a coat of silicone grease to the O-ring surface and the O-ring sealing surfaces on each end of the membrane, install your membrane. Once again, O-ring will be opposite of the flow indicator on the vessel itself. As you slide the membrane into the vessel, lift up a little bit to ensure the O-ring does not roll during installation. The O-ring, the RO membrane should seat at the bottom of the vessel, and then you do the same for the other membrane. Once again, silicone on the O-ring and on both O-ring mating surfaces. Always ensure that the O-ring is installed opposite of the flow indicator. Once the RO membranes are seated in their vessels, you can install the end caps. For the end caps, a dead blow hammer is a useful tool. Hold pressure on the end cap and tap it into place. Once the end caps are installed, slide the half moon clips in. Ensure that you start the Allen head bolts by hand prior to tightening them down.